Reviews on Zenler. So if you have the review block inside of your courses, then you're able to take reviews from your students. So the students will see a review block and they will be able to leave a review for you. But what happens then? So your student has left the review, and how do you see this review, or how are you able to administrate it? Well, I will show you now how this can be done easily in the platform. I'm going to log in as a student, and I'm going to show you a review that a student might leave for you and how you'll see it in your admin dashboard of your Zenler site. So I'm now logged in as a student, and you can see that I have the review block at the bottom of this course, Marketing Made Easy. I'm going to add this review because I am a student of this course. I'm going to add the review now. I'm going to give the course 5 stars. Notice that they can select the star rating themselves inside here. And then I'm going to add a review title. And then finally, I'm going to enter a review into this area. So now this review has been written and I've put in the details below. All your student needs to do then is click Save Changes. So at this point, the review is awaiting approval. So you're going to see that the student will see their review, but it will not be released publicly yet until you approve it. Here, let's jump into the admin dashboard and see where we can review this review. Okay, so I'm in the admin dashboard of your Zenler site. I'm going to go to courses, and I'm simply going to go down to where it says reviews on the left hand side. You'll notice now that review has gone in and we have it inside here. It says the author of the course there and the course itself. You can see the rating and you can see the review. So it tells you the author of the course and how many reviews you've got. So we can now go in here because you can see that down here it covers this area, but up here under recent reviews you can see the student that gave you the review. You can see the rating and you can see the title and the course and the comment. So we can approve this or we can bin it inside here. We can even edit the review inside here. If I click edit, you'll notice I can edit this review, and I can click approval in here as well. Now once again we can go cancel to go back, and you'll see inside here that we could just click approval if we wanted to. If there's more than one review, you can view more by clicking this button here, and any reviews or overview of reviews are held in this area below. So let's go in here and just click approve to this. Now I've clicked approve and it's been approved inside here. We are now ready to have a look at this inside the site. So now if I go to that course and go down to the course here, I'll log in back in as a student so you can see it. Let's refresh this page, and now this review, because you've approved it, has appeared in here, and notice that the block has changed now. So you've got a 5-star rating review on there. You can still go and edit your review. If you're a student, you can go in and edit that to make changes. So if they've given you 1 star and you fed back to them asking them, and then they've said yes, you've answered my question, you can ask them to edit their review and add more stars. Now as you get more reviews, they will drop down underneath. So this is how reviews work inside of Zenler. I will quickly show you now where the review block is inside of your courses, so you can add it if you haven't added it already. I always suggest removing the review block when you first initially launch a course, and then after you get a few reviews in there, you add it after the course has been public and you have students in there. I suggest then you add the review block and you email the students asking them to give you a review on the course. Let's go and see where the review block is inside of the course. Okay, so I'm in the admin dashboard and I'm in courses. So I'm going to jump into one of these courses and just remove and re-add this block in. Now the review block is normally held on the course access page, because that's the page that the students will be taking the course in. So I'm going to click edit to this page, and you're going to see that I already have the review block in there, but I'm going to remove it and I'm just going to re-add it, just so that you can see how to remove it and how to add that block back into Zenler itself. So down here you can see that we have this review block in here, and you can see that we have our student who's entered it in there already. This may not be here, depends if you have a review. So I'm going to remove that block and click delete. So now I've removed the block, no one can add a review into this page. But if I want to add it again, I go to blocks, I go to courses, and then under courses right down here you're going to see course review. All I need to do is to drag that block back into our course access page, and it will be visible in here. Then I just need to hit save. Now if you haven't got any reviews, you probably wouldn't want to put reviews on the sales page of the course. I'm going to jump to the sales page of the course once I've saved this, and I'm going to show you, because reviews, if you have got reviews, it's definitely worth putting them on the sales page when you've got reviews, not before, but when you've got reviews. So we're going to go into the marketing sales page and just have a look at that, and that will bring up the sales page here. Another way of doing it is to jump straight to the sales page edit button from the course pages. I'm going to let this load. You can see it in here, and you can see I've got no review block in here. So generally I'd only put a review block in when I've got reviews. Now I've got one review, I'm going to go to block courses, scroll down here, and I'm just going to drag this block straight in. And now I've put this review block in here, they appear. So I'm going to click save. Remember, students can only add reviews in the course access page, because that is the page that they are logged into and they have purchased the course. So let's go and preview this page now and have a look at how it looks live. So we now got our sales page up, and at the bottom people can see that they've got reviews on the course, which is a good selling point for your courses. So this is about reviews on Zenler